Welcome to the ProCap 360 overview video produced by IIS Corporation. ProCap 360 is a knowledge graph-based product that mitigates known vulnerabilities through SBOM generation and new vulnerabilities through continuous threat exploitation management. This introduction video will address the vulnerabilities faced by organizations due to not applying fixes to known vulnerabilities found through SBOMs, and how ProCap 360 can achieve savings and reduce exposures to cybercrimes and technical problems. Our agenda is shown here. The world is in turmoil, with wars and choke points delaying deliveries and impacting an organization's ability to deliver products to make profits. Additionally, companies are facing ever-increasing threats from nation-states and hackers injecting cybercrimes into their systems. World leaders have decided that combining business, government, infrastructure, and utility companies to develop safeguards and best practices is the most practical approach to combating this problem. The United States has chosen DHS/CISA to address our needs through a secure-by-design approach. It has been discovered that the rise in vulnerabilities is the most significant issue facing companies and allows known vulnerabilities to inject cybercrimes. Residual vulnerabilities are rising and cause delays in mitigating exposures. Costs are at a level that cannot be sustained. The secure-by-design approach addresses this need by integrating a secure procedure in a product's development lifecycle and maintenance process, ensuring vulnerability-free products. Obtaining a threat-free environment is difficult, and waiting until a product reaches production may be too late to implement safeguards. ProCap helps relieve this issue by locating and rating vulnerabilities before a product reaches production, thereby reducing your threat landscape. ProCap 360 takes your data and builds a knowledge graph of your components, then identifies any programs within an application that have common vulnerability exposures or CVs. The programmers fix the CVs prior to production to obtain vulnerability-free applications. This information is clearly displayed in our dashboard. An example of how ProCap 360 builds and uses a knowledge graph is shown here. And here is an example of what a knowledge graph can look like. ProCap 360 fits into your system's development lifecycle by validating that each stage of evaluation and development of products meets security scores and is vulnerability-free. We nip the problem in the bud. Additionally, ProCap 360 can support an application factory concept by placing adjustable quality gates between each stage of product evaluation and production. This reduces vulnerabilities and saves costs related to manpower, cybercrime exposures, and improves the company brand and reputation. Application factory available settings are shown here. They can provide you with a very flexible approach to producing quality applications in reduced time, thereby reducing downtime and improving reputation and costs. Building an integrated environment from idea through concept and final product will cement the quality of your product delivery, ensure compliance, reduce threat exposures, and save costs. The next step would be to understand how to best control your environment. The steps needed to achieve the best results from your environment start with defining your enterprise workflow and the business services you supply. Then understanding the laws and regulations that your organization must adhere to is essential. It is your audit universe and must be adhered to. ProCap 360 offers an opportunity to try our product within a trial period. You can register a request through AWS or call us directly. We will provide you with an invite email that leads to your obtaining a logon ID and password. The services you can perform are listed here. Some of the functions that you can perform from our dashboard are shown here. Have fun playing with the product during your trial period and discover how many ways ProCap 360 can help your organization. Much of the data received through ProCap 360 dashboard can supply critical data to other functional areas within your company and help your coworkers achieve their job requirements. Thank you for taking the time to view the introduction video on our vulnerability management and SBOM analysis tool, ProCap 360. We provide you with the ability to produce a vulnerability-free production environment, reduce exposures to cybercrimes, an efficient and compliant environment, and all at a reduced costs. Should you want to discuss how ProCap 360 can help your organization, please contact us. We can even schedule a free trial period where your staff can exercise our product in your environment.